Okay, so the last part of Chapter 11 has to do with the types of solids. We're not going to go into the structure of solids, but there are four main types of solids. There is the molecular solid here, which is atoms and molecules held by intermolecular forces. These tend to be covalent. It keeps defaulting to red. These are covalent bonded or covalent compounds bonding, which is two or more nonmetals. Okay, is a molecular solid. I have metallic solids, which are just what they sound like. They are metals. They can be a mixed metal, like bronze, or they can be a pure metal, like copper or aluminum. Okay, brass is also a mix of metals. Okay, so anything is just basically pure metals, whether it be a mixture or whether it be pure, is that of a metallic bond. Ionic bonds are ionic compounds. Okay, so they are the metals and the nonmetals, or they are two ions held together. Okay, so things like sodium fluoride, magnesium oxide. The one that we haven't talked about is a covalent network. A covalent network is basically a molecular solid but has a larger network of atoms together. Okay, so the examples of that are diamond, graphite, silicon dioxide, which is glass, silicon carbide, and, well, here's the graphite, and this is also carbon. Okay, the book gives you one more example, which is asbestos also. All right. So, what type of solid is each of the following? Is it metallic, ionic, covalent, network, or molecular? Okay, so I have carbon, hydrogen, also known as a hydrocarbon. So this is molecular. I guess we'll work down. Sodium is a metal, oxygen is a nonmetal, so metal and nonmetal is ionic. Silicon dioxide was an example of a covalent network. So basically you have to memorize those because they're going to look just like a molecular compound, but you have to recognize that graphite, carbon, silicon dioxide, and asbestos are going to be considered covalent networks. Carbon dioxide is a nonmetal and nonmetal, so it's molecular. Nitrogen, dinitrogen pentaoxide, two nonmetals, so this one's molecular. Sodium nitrate, sodium is a metal, nitrate is an ion, so this is ionic, it's a piatonic ion. Aluminum is a metal, so this is metallic. Carbon is diamond, and again, carbon can exist in multiple forms, so this one's a covalent network. And sulfur dioxide is a nonmetal and a nonmetal, so this one is also molecular. And that is the end of Chapter 12.